So what's up everyone and welcome back to another tutorial and a review. Today we're taking a look at Google's Learn Your Way AI to turn your PDFs into podcasts and mind maps. If you're stuck on reading a boring 50-page PDF to a massive textbook chapter from school or work, what if you could instantly transform that document into an interactive podcast, a visual mind map, and a personalized quiz? Let's see how to do that. So firstly, head over to Google Labs and open the Learn Your Way experiment. Upload your PDF or paste your text chapter. But there is the secret sauce. Before it generates everything, the AI asks for your current grade level and your personal interests, like sports, music, or gaming. It actually rewrites the core concepts to match your exact reading level and uses your hobbies to explain complex topics. If you tell it you love basketball, it's really going to use basketball examples to teach you physics. Now, let's see where it destroys a normal textbook. Once your PDF is processed, you get 5 completely different ways to learn. You can click Immersive Text to read the document with built-in AI pop-up questions that tests you as you scroll. Just click Mind Map to see a massive interactive visual breakdown of all the concepts. Or my absolute favorite is click Audio Lesson to listen to an AI-generated hyper-realistic conversation between a teacher and a student explaining your exact PDF while you commute. Isn't that crazy? And finally, to lock in what you just learned, hit these section-level quizzes. If you get a question wrong, the AI instantly stops and clarifies the my conceptions for you. Need to present the info to your class or team? Just click Slides and Narration to get a fully generated narrated presentation built directly from your uploaded document. It is literally the ultimate cheat code for studying and retaining information. If this AI tutorial saved your grades today, smash that like button to feed the algorithm and subscribe to our channel for more. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one.